I'm just trying to grow this business to be as big as possible. I can see it, I can feel it, I know it's within grasp, and I know that we're capable of doing it. We have the right team of people, we have the right minds, all the puzzle pieces are fitting together.
Hi, and welcome to AHHQ, which is short for Authenticity Home Headquarters, also known as Let me introduce you to the team. We have our owner and operator, Tim.
My name is Timothy Bowers. I'm the owner and founder of Authenticity Home. It's an assortment of hand-knotted rugs and broadlooms. We offer hardwood flooring, and we do a variety of different things here.
AKA El Capitan. Next, we have Jan.
Hey y'all, I'm Jan. I'm the e-commerce manager at Authenticity, and I help building the online branch of our business.
Next, we have Tan Man, our hired muscle.
I move rugs.
Then, we have Coleman. Coleman, how would you describe your job here?
Shit.
And then, you have me, Authenticity's in-house photographer, and now social media strategist.
Dye lots have changed in the yarn. Okay.
And together, we're a ragtag band of misfits working in a dying art of hand-woven textiles, i.e. really nice fucking rugs.
Okay.
And our mission this season is to take Tim's business and 10x his current revenue, turning it into $1 million a month reoccurring business.
I can smell the money already.
We went on to chat GPT. We asked, how are we going to take this rug business and turn it into a $12 million business? And this is what it said. This strategy is designed to grow your rug and flooring business from 1 million to 12 million in an annual revenue by focusing on 5 core pillars. System optimization. We need to streamline our workflow to have ultimate efficiency. Boost online sales. We need to engage in an assortment of online markets. Pinterest, Instagram, TikTok, the list goes on. Sales expansion. We just received a shipment of about $600,000 worth of rugs. They've been photographed, inventoried. From there, Jan will take it, throw it onto our website, and distribute it to all of our designers accordingly. Productization. The process of transforming a service, concept, or internal tool into a marketable product. Marketing. Hey. And partnerships. We already work with a handful of local interior designers, but we want to highlight them, emphasize their work, and showcase what they do. Add sales channels. That's going to be kind of more my department. Increase order and value frequency. Well, no shit, Sherlock. That's how you do it. We're selling stuff, and we need to sell more of it. So, this is the road to 12 million. Let's go.
Okay.